What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. Right now, I am showing y'all some of the holiday items they got in Walgreens, like a little montage. And just want y'all to sit back and look at some of these cute items they got for the holidays. They are ready at Walgreens. You hear me? They are really ready for these holidays. Some of the items were kind of pricey, so I will be waiting for those to drop down in price. But otherwise, they are just so freaking cute. Look at the little Snoopy Nutcracker, and they also had the Snoopy tree, the Hello Kitty and Snoopy tumblers that look like Stanley cups. And as you can see, they were $25. Then they have the little light up Hello Kitty Christmas tree, super cute. And the little ceramic trees. I remember my grandmother had one of those green ones. Brought back nostalgic memories. Then they have some more Hello Kitty little light up things. They are super cute. Only if they wasn't $25, one of those would have been coming home with me. Now they have other stuff. The little nativity set. They got snow globes, and they even had a Hello Kitty snow globe that I had to try. So freaking cute. But I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video before we get into these deals, looking at some of these holiday items. Okay, y'all, I am back home. I am so excited to show y'all this Walgreens haul that I got. And y'all need to go to Walgreens. It is on fire this week, y'all. No lie, no joking. I'm about to show y'all some deals that y'all can do. And along with some cheap items, free items, on sale items, well, clearance items, all types of stuff, y'all. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hype me up, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Yes, y'all, I'm rushing because I'm ready for y'all to see these smoking hot deals. Okay, y'all, here are some of the items that I had got from Walgreens. Y'all, Walgreens is on fire. Shelves will be cleared. I know they will, because when I was in there doing my little deals, honey, everybody else was in there doing their deals as well, clearing the shelves. Okay, we are going to start off with this small spaces. Y'all, they are $3.49. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it $1.49. Then, these 90% toys, y'all, are still floating around. This little cute doggy in a carrier was $9.99. Tell me why it rung up $1. Yes, y'all, it is on sale for $1. And by the looks of it, that's how much it should have been. Talking about some $9.99, but that's just my opinion. Okay, moving on to the Prime, y'all. It is completely free if you can find that $2.99 coupon in your Walgreens app. It is making these Primes free, y'all, because they are already $2.99, and when that $2.99 comes off, it's completely free. Here is my receipt. I did the transaction by itself. I didn't even have to pay tax. I was standing there ready to get my change out, and she just handed me the receipt. So subtotal zero, total zero, change zero, y'all. I did not pay anything. So when I say free, that is what I mean, free. Not free and you gotta pay tax, none of that, but free. And as if you have the coupon in your app. Now, moving on to these Dawn dishwashing liquids, and it's the 18 ounce. They are currently on sale for $3.99. We have $2 coming off, y'all, making these just $1.99. So I'm glad I got my dibs in on these, because I know this week they will be sold out and shelves will be cleared. Now, moving on to the Pyrex, y'all. It wasn't tagged in my store, but got a little tweet from a birdie that these were $1.99. I hurry up and rushed back over there because they only had one of the bags left, one of those, which I got the last one, and they had like three of the free and clear, but I just got three, and they are $1.99. No coupons need to be clipped or nothing, and three of them cost me $5.97. And Ibotta is giving back $1 on each one. So submit your receipt to Ibotta and get your money back. I got my $3 back, and it made the final cost for these three $2.97 or 99 cents each. But that is not the only thing I got from Walgreens, but these are the hottest deals, so I had to show y'all these first. So let's get into these next items and all of this other goodness that I want to show y'all that's going on with me and with Walgreens. So let's get into this next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is really the first transaction I did. And I'm gonna start off by telling y'all some accounts got this particular coupon. It is basically you spend $10 and you get $10 back in your Walgreens account. That is basically what I was using for this transaction. So I got the Don. It was $4.99. And we have $2 coming off of that, making it $1.99. I meant it's $4.99, y'all. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing. We have a $2 coming off, making it $2.99, and this is for the 24.3 ounce. The other one was $3.99, but this one was 4. Now on the Niveas, y'all, I looked up and was able to find the bigger ones. They are 33.8 ounce. They are $14.99. Buy one get one 50% off. And if you spend $20 or more, they give you $10 Walgreens cash back. So I was like, this is perfect. So one of these was $14.99. The 50% off one was $7.49, totaling $22.48. And y'all, they gave us a $2 digital. So the $2 came off, making these exactly $20.48. Pay that, get your $10 Walgreens cash back, making these to $10.48 or $5.24 each. So the total after coupons and stuff for these items was $19.47. Then I got back $20.27 Walgreens cash, making all three of these items free, y'all. Yes, free, because like I told y'all, I was using that spend 10, get 10, and then I got 10 back for spending 20 or more on the Nivea. So that's how I got that $20 in my Walgreens account back. And here is my receipt. See the Nivea, Don Nivea. And then where's it at? Oh, it says earned this visit $20.27, and I had already had like $3 in my account, so my closing balance was $23.90. But yeah, y'all should try to do some of these deals, especially if you got that $10 off. And that's why it's good to have multiple accounts, because some accounts don't have it, some do. And I looked up, like 2 of my accounts have it. I haven't checked the rest of my accounts yet, but I used the 2 that I found. I used them, so I'm about to share those deals with y'all. And then one account I didn't have it, and I purchased something, and I'm gonna show y'all that as well. So let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction, and I didn't have no booster or nothing clip, just plain old transaction I wanted to do. Starting off with the game products, you get two $9.99 game products and get back a $4 register reward. So I had picked up the 31 count flings. They were $9.99. We have a $2 off, making it $7.99. Then I had got the 61 low liquid, $9.99 with $2 off, making it $7.99. So these two were $15.98. Get paid that, get back a $4 register reward, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. Then picked up another Don, and y'all gonna be sick of seeing Don after this, cause y'all, I was not playing about getting me some before the shelves get cleared. But it was $4.99. We have that $2 off, making it $2.99. Then on the Dove body wash, they are buy 2 get a $3 register reward back. So 2 of these was $16. We have a $4 digital coming off, making them 12. Pay that, get back a $3 register reward, making both of these $9 or $4.50 each. So the total for all of these items after coupons and stuff was $30.97. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, dropped the total down to $20.97. I paid that, got back $7 register rewards, making the final cost for all of these items $13.97 or $2.79 each. Cannot beat that, y'all. Some of these products you might want, some of them you don't. That is okay. But I'm just here to show y'all what's on sale, who's giving the register rewards, or whatever the case may be. You might not even like game products, but still, that's not stopping you from getting the Don, the Dove, or whatever your household may need. And just because I do a transaction, you don't have to follow it to the T. But I'm just giving you the price, what it'll be with the coupons and what you supposed to get back at Walgreens. Because I know some people are not familiar with couponing and might not get their coupons back, or stuff that they supposed to get back once they do a transaction. So that's where I come in to help y'all out. But let me show y'all the last transaction I did at Walgreens, and then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here is my last and final transaction. And look at this, y'all. Ripped the toilet paper. It was like this lady was in there, y'all, buying up all the Angel Soft, and I was just looking when she was checking out. So I snuck and ran back over and was like, shoot, I'm gonna give me some Angel Soft too. Cause she kept on having her daughter run back, get more and more toilet paper. So I seen these last three and bought them. And even this had a daggone rip in there. But I was like, I don't care. I use that for my household. And the other two, I just sell those. But I wanted some Angel Soft too. So y'all, the transaction basically, the Don again, which was $4.99 with that $2 off, making it $2.99. Y'all should know this by heart now. Then on the Angel Soft, it is buy three, get a $3 register reward back. And on the 6 equals 24 rows, they are 2 for $9 or $4.99 each. So these three will cost you let's see, $13.99. We have $1.50 digital coming off, making them $12.49. Pay that, get your $3 register reward back, making all three of these $9.49 or $3.16 each, which you cannot beat it all. So the total after coupons, and I used a $3 register reward to knock the total down, and I use that 10 spend 10 get 10 back booster. So once I purchase these items, I will be getting back $10 Walgreens cash in my account for spending 10 or more. So the total after coupons and that $3 register reward I used was $11.99. And I got back $3 register rewards for the Angel Soft and $10 Walgreens cash, which is totaling $13, making this transaction free, plus $1.01 money maker. Boom. Y'all, I killed it. So I came out of pocket with some money, yeah, but I gained a lot back, and two of my transactions was free. Then the other ones was cheap, out of pocket, and all of that other good stuff. So y'all can go do these transactions if y'all like, and I hope y'all will, because I want y'all to save, save, save. That is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and plan on going to Walgreens. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.